We're so pleased to have our MP John Weston here today, who's been a supporter of the Rotary Ride for Rescue since the start. It's very fitting on National Health and Fitness Day.
Well, we're here in Squamish. It's the third annual National Health and Fitness Day. I'm here with Councillor Doug Rice, and we just did a nice little walk to sort of mark National Health and Fitness Day, especially since Squamish was one of the very first proclaimers. Doug, why don't you tell us a little bit about the climate here in terms of health and fitness?
First of all, thank you for coming up to Squamish. I'm a great believer in the wellness of exercise and the fitness and the good it does for individuals and for our community. So I think this is a very, very good initiative for you and for the federal government to take.
Cycling, getting out walking, right? It creates a more social community, doesn't it?
It does. I mean, you do see friends on the trail inevitably, and out there you bump into them, chat with them. It is another way of socializing without going indoors or having to go to a restaurant or a bar or something like that. And 48% of the people in this community engage in mountain biking or cycling.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you, and
thank you, John.
Please keep up the great leadership.
Thank you.
All right, here we are on a beautiful day in June in West Vancouver. It's Community Days, it's National Health and Fitness Day, and I'm standing with Craig Cameron, one of West Van's councillors. It's a very hard-working council. At any community events that you attend in West Vancouver, you're going to see Craig or one of his colleagues. Craig, do you want to tell us a little bit about Community Days, what it means to you and the people of West Vancouver?
In some ways, I think Community Day is like the most important day in West Vancouver. As a community, we come together. We have all the institutions come together. It's a way of having community connect and to know all the different disparate parts of the community that you may or may not come into contact with over the year. And for me, I'm always impressed by how many people are active in the community. They're doing sports, they're doing art, they're working with kids. It speaks to West Vancouver's commitment to fitness and active living and that sort of thing. And I think Community Day is the day on which you see that.
It's also National Health and Fitness Day. West Vancouver was one of the very first proclaimers. We're now up to 141, so again, West Vancouver's a leader. So happy National Health and Fitness Day and happy Community Days.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay.